Hello Myntra beauty fam, I am Anindita and welcome to Myntra's channel. Today I'm going to do a New Year special makeup haul and these are some of the beauty products that I want to try in the coming year. If you guys like any of the products that I show in this video, don't forget to check out the description box for the links. The first product that I'm super excited to try out is this Maybelline Fresh Tint. This is the Fit Me Fresh Tint and it has vitamin C. This will be a pretty good match. Now my face is lighter than the rest of my body right now, you know, tanning and all of that. Also because it's a skin tint, I don't really mind agar ye ek do shade off hai. I mean, it does not have to be an exact match. It blends super easily and it has a pretty mattifying finish. It's not luminous or anything, at least on my hand. I would love to try this on my face and see how this works. The next product is this primer by Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and this one is to minimize pores. ये product मुझे इतने time से try करना था and I finally got this from Myntra and this is unlike any other pore filling primer that I've tried. मतलब ये ना बहुत सिलिकॉनी नहीं है, इसका texture बहुत ही ज़्यादा smooth है and it really just blurs out all the fine lines and also if you have like larger pores. I did use this on my cheeks today because वहीं पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा large pores है and I really liked how it gave me a very natural finish. It did smooth out the area. It sits beautifully on my face and अगर आपको बहुत texture है face पे या फिर आपको large pores है and you struggle with wearing like foundation and everything, you can definitely go for this. Also this is oil free, so this will not clog your pores and give you acne and stuff like that, so this will work really well for oily and acne prone skin. मैंने कुछ lip products भी लिए हैं and these are again some products that I have been wanting to try for so long. आजकल lip tints बहुत ज़्यादा craze में है and everyone's been loving them, so I wanted to try this by Etude House. This is the fixing tint and this is what it looks like. This is such a cute packaging. I love the packaging. So I got this in the shade 4 Ginger Milk Tea and ये ना एक बहुत ही beautiful nude shade है. This is what the tint looks like and I don't have anything like that. ये थोड़ा सा peachy nude type का shade है and actually I love using this and mixing it with my other lip products as well. This leaves such a beautiful stain on the lips and it makes your lips look very natural. It blends so beautifully, like I'm blending it right now, and this will give you that no makeup look. Next I got this liquid lipstick by Kiro. This is what the product looks like. I love liquid lipsticks in nude shades mostly and वही मैं लगाती हूँ like brown nudes या फिर pinky nudes, and this time I got a very beautiful pinky nude and this is what the shade looks like. This is literally the perfect everyday type of nude color. This is super pigmented. This also has apricot and avocado oil. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit. That looks so pretty and it does feel very comfortable. This is on a discount right now on Myntra, so don't forget to check it out. There will be links in the description box below. I also got a lip balm and this is by L'Occitane. The cutest packaging ever and this is in the cherry blossom variant. So I have super dry lips and L'Occitane के lip balms मैंने पहले भी try किए हैं and I really like them. They are very moisturizing, they are very hydrating, and if you have like super chapped lips like me, especially जो winter season में हमारे lips इतने ज़्यादा फट जाते हैं ना, उसके लिए ये बेस्ट क्योर है. This is a tried and tested lip balm by me and I would highly recommend you guys to get this. Another lip balm that I got is by Benefit Cosmetics and this is called the Moisturizing Color Lip Balm. Now this is what the packaging looks like. ये ऊपर से तो ऐसे transparent bottle में आता है and it comes in a flower shape, so you take it out like this and then this is the product. I actually love the packaging. It is so different from everything else and ये बहुत easily ऐसे बंद भी हो जाता है. I got this in the shade Pomegranate and let me tell you, ये किसी lipstick से कम pigmented नहीं है. This is super intensely pigmented. This is what the lip balm looks like. Can you see how pigmented that is? I think this is the most pigmented lip balm that I have. आजकल वो जो Korean lips and lip stain का जो trend है वो बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है and I think for that these two products are amazing because I applied a little bit of this Benefit lip balm अपने lips पे and then just blended it in with this Etude House का lip tint and it just gave me that natural flush of color. It looks so pretty. Next I got one of my all-time favorite mascaras ever and that is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. इसका packaging I think change हो गया है and look at this packaging. I absolutely love this. This was actually giving me New Year's and even Valentine vibes. Now this is literally the best mascara ever. This will make your lashes look 10 times more voluminous. इसको आप किसी भी हाई एंड मस्कारा के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हो. ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है, बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है एंड वाटरप्रूफ भी है. इफ यू गाइज डोंट लाइक टू वेयर फॉल्सीज लाइक मी बट यू लाइक वॉल्यूमिनस लॉन्ग लैशेस का इफेक्ट, दिस इज अ मस्ट ट्राई. अगेन इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में होगा, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट आउट. आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस सुपर हाइप प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज बाय बेनिफिट कॉस्मेटिक्स अगेन एंड दिस इज द हुला लाइट ब्रॉन्जर. इसके ऊपर अभी स्टिकर लगा हुआ है बट या दिस इज हुला लाइट एंड दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट ब्रॉन्जर्स. आई हैव बीन गेटिंग बैक टू लाइक ब्रॉन्जिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड आई थॉट कि ये मेरे लिए काफी अच्छा शेड रहेगा. सो इट ओपन्स अप लाइक this like a ring box and then you have a small mirror right here which I think is amazing and then you get this brush. Now this brush is great, ये वैसे उन brushes की तरह नहीं है कि बस ऐसे रखा हुआ है and कभी काम नहीं आता है. This is actually super handy and it works really well to like contour the face and everything. This is what Hoola Light looks like. Now this is a very light shade. For me it works perfect as a contour and a bronzer both. I just like to use a bronzer that is neither too warm nor too cool and I use it all over my face like wherever needed and it just gives me that light shadow that I really like. It's not too stark. दिस ब्लेंड सुपर इजीली, बिल्कुल मक्खन की तरह ब्लेंड कर जाता है स्किन में. जो नॉर्मल हुला का शेड है वो इससे डार्कर है, सो अगर आपका थोड़ा डीपर स्किन टोन है आप वो वाला ट्राई कर सकते हो एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट पीपल हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट फॉर years and years. I'm so glad I'm finally getting to try out this product and I'll be using it tons in the coming year. I thought a new year haul should end with some highlighter. Now this is Wet n Wild's Precious Petals. This is what the product looks like. It is such a beautiful shade and actually this is a very good dupe of Becca Champagne Pop. I'm actually wearing this right now and you can see it right on my face and how pretty this looks. This is super buttery. It does not enhance any texture. It just looks very beautiful on the skin and ये majority skin tones के ऊपर अच्छा लगता है. Such an affordable product. Wet n Wild has some of the best affordable products and of such good quality. I'm very glad to be going back to this highlighter. This definitely adds so much more to my looks and I cannot wait to use this more in the coming year as well. And yeah, that completes my new year haul from Myntra. I am so glad that I got all of these products from Myntra Beauty and I cannot wait to use them more in the coming year. If you guys want to try out any of these products या फिर अगर आप और products देखना चाहते हो, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. Also don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's channel for more amazing content. Happy New Year to all of you. Have the most amazing 2023 and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.